A, enter collected jog. X, halt, salute. Proceed, collected jog. C, track right. M, circle right, 10 meter. M to B, shoulder in right. B, half circle right, 10 meter to X. X, half circle left, 10 meter to E. E to K, shoulder in left. K, circle left, 10 meter. KAF, collected jog. FXH, change rein, lengthen stride. H to C, collected jog. C, halt, rein back 4 steps, advance 4 steps, back 4 steps. C to M, proceed working walk. M, turn right. Before G, shorten the walk. Between G and H, half turn on the haunches right. Proceed shortened walk. Between G and M, half turn on haunches left. Proceed working walk. H, track right. C, M, B, collected lope, right lead. B, circle right, 10 meter. B, F, A, K, collected lope. K to H, lengthen stride. H, C, M, collected lope. M to E, change rein. E to K, counter lope. K, simple change of lead through walk. K, A, F, B, collected lope. B, circle left, 10 meter. B, M, C, H, collected lope. H to K, length and stride. KAF, collected lope. F to E, change rein. E to H, counterlope. H, simple change of lead through walk. H to M, collected lope. M, collected jog. B, turn right. X, turn right. G, halt, salute.
Perfect.